If you have Windows 7 or any later versions of Windows operating systems, you will certainly have PowerShell installed by default. The same goes with Windows Server 2008 R2 and any later version of server operating system. Let me show you how to navigate Windows PowerShell in Windows 7 and Windows 8. In Windows 7, you go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, and if you scroll down, you will see Windows PowerShell. If you click that, you will see 4 items basically. And in this, the Windows PowerShell 86 and Windows PowerShell are the actual command line interface applications. These are the actual shells. The ISE is nothing but the integrated scripting environment, which is used for scripting. We will look into it in later videos in the same series. If you notice that I have x86 version and a 64-bit version, it's basically this is a 32-bit version and this is a 64-bit version. So that's because I'm running a 64-bit Windows 7. If you have a 32-bit Windows 7, you will only see the first two, the Windows PowerShell x86 and Windows PowerShell ISE x86. For most of the part, you can just use a 64-bit. That's the way to go. But there are certain extensions or snap-ins available for PowerShell that is compatible only with 32-bit version. So that's when you actually use Windows PowerShell x86. In Windows 8, you go to the Start screen and type PowerShell, and you will get the Windows PowerShell here. Now in this video training series, we are going to use PowerShell mostly on Windows 7, and in some places we'll use it on Windows 8.1, Windows Server 2008, and also on Windows Server 2012, depending on the features we want to test. PowerShell is going to be the same across all Windows operating systems, so it should not really make any kind of difference.